Hey beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to unbox one of the most reasonable subscription boxes around. That is the blush box. This blush box is priced at rupees 399 per month and you could get a 3-month subscription for 1192 rupees, friends. So this is how the blush box has come to me. It is beautifully gift wrapped and looks very nice. So let us just open this up and see. So from inside we are getting this standard blush box. It's a nice cardboard sturdy box with a logo of the blush box, and this is the website, friends, from where you can order the box. So let us open it and see. So all the products are wrapped in this tissue below. So these are all my products. Let's see them one by one. The first thing to come out of it is this info card. So it says Hello Summers April 2018 and it mentions the details about all the products. So the first product to come out of this box is a Bella Voste gel eyeliner. Friends, I have used this eyeliner before and I quite like this. So this eyeliner is waterproof and long lasting. It is very soft and glides like a liquid liner. It's also easy to blend. So I have chosen the shade Caramel Brown 04. You have two options to choose from. It's either a grey or this brown. So this is how it looks. You can see the color marking here. So friends, this is the shade. Let me swatch it for you. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful creamy color. I mean, it is just gliding on. Just look at it. It's honestly very beautiful. I am in love with this shade and this will look good even as an eyeshadow, friends. If you just blend it in, it's going to look just pretty. So this was the first product. The next product that we have received is from this brand Healthvit. I have received this early also. I do not recall which box it was. But yes, this is activated charcoal face wash and it's a huge full-size face wash. It is a 100-gram face wash and have a look at its ingredients, friends. So this does have SLES in it and is not a chemical-free product. So as you all know, charcoal helps in detoxifying and revitalizing the skin, and it also cleans the pores. So this was the second product, friends. The third product is this. It's a product from Fuchsia. It is an Arabian Jasmine night cream and it prevents sagging and firms your skin. The jasmine oil in it hydrates and heals the skin, while the vitamin E in it prevents the premature aging and prevents fine lines. So you need to apply this before you go to sleep, at least an hour before you go to sleep. So apply it and keep it overnight, and in the morning you can wash it off. So look at the contents. The contents are jasmine oil, olive oil, sweet almond oil, kokum butter, aloe vera, vitamin E, and it's a 50-gram tub. Also, as you can see, this is in a different packaging, friends, this time. And friends, the price of this product is 675. So just this one product is worth more than almost twice of the cost of the box. I am very happy with this. I'm not opening the seal right now, friends, but I can smell the fragrance. It's a very nice soothing fragrance and it smells of jasmine. So yes, this would be a good cream. Then I have received a Lash natural whitening deodorant, so something which is just perfect for the season, and this is priced at rupees 260. And as you can see, all the products are recent. None of them are old stock which has been discarded. So this product has licorice and green tea in it, which helps in depigmentation and revealing a brighter underarm. So friends, I'm opening this. So this is a roll-on. The fragrance is quite nice. I quite like this and I am going to start using this. I can only share once I use it. So yes, I like this product. Very happy, very appropriate for the season. And the last product, friends, is again from Lash and it is an after sun detan gel, and it has got an hydrating and smoothing gel with mint extract, and this is a 100-gram product, a full size product again, and this is worth rupees 216. So all the details are mentioned here. So it says it's a non-greasy gel for all skin types, and all parts of the body. It provides fast and effective relief from damage done by sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays, hyperpigmentation and sunburn. It hydrates and detans the skin and helps moisture and promote healing. So quite a good concept, friends. I quite like this, and it has aloe vera in it. So see, this seems like a very interesting product. I am quite happy to get this product from Lash too. So generally we get sun protection gels or sunscreens basically in this seasons, but this is a different product. It is an after sun detan gel. So this is something which you can use when you are back home from all the sun and the heat that you tolerate the entire day, and I'm sure since it has got aloe vera in it, it's going to be very soothing and nice. Quite interesting. I'm very happy to get this product too. So friends, this were all the products that we received in this month's blush box, and let me tell you friends, I'm very impressed by this month's blush box. So if you haven't ordered yours yet, please go ahead and order it. I am sure this is absolutely worth the price I'm paying, and much more, guys. The Bella Voste eye gel is so beautiful, so pigmented, and have a look at it. It has dried up and there's no smudging, no budging. This is going to be very nice. I am very happy with this Bella Voste gel eyeliner. And my next favorite product is this products from Lash and the Fuchsia too. So friends, I think it's a very good curation this month. Please go ahead and try it. I am loving it. So friends, if you have enjoyed watching this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.